The California gold rush not only sparked monumental social upheaval, but significant legal transformation as well. Californios, residents born in California to Spanish or Spanish descendant parents during the period of Mexican control, frequently saw their rights and influence swept away by the insatiable hunger for land of the 49ers. California's political transition from Mexican authority to American rule following the Mexican War of 1846 to 1848 fundamentally altered the legal traditions and procedures in California, changing the way land was surveyed and titles were held. Californios and holders of Mexican land grants would reap a terrible harvest from these changes. Before the Mexican War, hand-drawn maps called diseños served as land title documents. Diseño translates as design, and these often beautiful maps marked imprecise property lines according to geographical attractions within the area. A typical diseño might include drawings of a massive oak tree, a stream bed, or a rock outcropping. An old joke typified the style of these diseños. Our property extended from the rock that looks like a bear to the bear that looks like a rock. More exact and detailed maps were considered unnecessary in the largely unpopulated region, and if there were boundary disputes, they could be resolved by the application of patience, additional description and testimony, and some neighborly negotiation. While some land grants were held by non-Californio residents, such as John Sutter, a German-born Swiss immigrant, the vast majority of the disputed land was controlled by Californios, a total of 14 million acres in the years before the gold rush. But as the swarm of new settlers swept in, they frequently disregarded Californio property rights and claimed the land for themselves as squatters. With the territory now under a new legal system, the official township and section survey maps replaced the diseños as legitimate title documents. The 1848 Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo, which ended the Mexican War, had promised Californios the free enjoyment of their liberty and property. But this guarantee was promptly ignored, and clashes over competing land titles were inevitable.